Hours before the meeting with US President Donald Trump, scheduled on Monday at White House, Prime Minister Imran Khan assured the nation that he would put their case before him and would neither embarrass them nor let them down before anyone. Addressing the biggest ever gathering of Pakistanis, Americans at the jam-packed Capital One Arena in the downtown Washington, he said since the very first day he had been opposing the military solution in Afghanistan, for what he was heavily criticized. What do you want me to talk to Trump? I am proud that now the whole world is saying that Afghanistan has no military solution. Inshallah, I will put your case before Donald Trump. I will not embarrass you, inshallah, said the Prime Minister, who arrived here on a 3-day visit on the invitation of President Donald Trump. Imran has said he does it.